Hi everybody! So welcome back. So today is Sunday and meron sa aming event for today. Today is Kuya JC's wedding sa Calarwega Church doon sa Batangas. And Enzo's here. Enzo, say hi.
Hi!
Galing lang namin sa plaza to do some haircut. At ako, ito, nag Brazilian treatment ako sa buhok, no? Ganda niya, in fairness. Hindi ko na nga lang na-vlog how to do this, no? But yun, samahan nyo kami today because it's a very special day. Let's go. We're gonna prepare! Yay! And let's go. We're on our way to
There, baby.
to our place in Bigay and so ayan, so ready na kami pero bago yan, mag-withdraw muna po tayo. So we really need to hurry because it's late already. Hi! I will not be driving today
Mami, ako dito sa...
to Calarwega.
Mami, yan dito ako.
Tsaka si ate yung yes. Hindi ako magdadrive. Kuya will be driving today. No? So, wala na ako nagawang ayos sa hair ko. Ganun na lang. Medyo.
Yay!
So, hi everybody! This is Teacher Pam. And we're here at Biga. Yan. Hi! This is Enzo. And this is Isha. Look. You're so fat. Pandito na po kami. Take my hand, please. Dito na kami sa naglalakad. Hi guys! Hi Ate Isha! Hi! Mommy's here! Enzo! Super pogi! Asan si Papa? Papa! Oh, dito na tayo. Galang. Ayan. Hi guys! Ayan, Daddy's here. Ayan, saan ba toilet mo? This is video. I'm gonna do some video. Kaganda nyo! Anong meron? Sarap. Ano ba pag dito yung church?
Gagalan kami yung flowers.
Ganda yung flower girl. Yeah. Asan yung ano? Mayor Jenny Barsaga.
Si Melanie Marquez.
Ay, oo nga! Ganun yung mga mukha nyo. Gaganda nyo.
Picture tayo. Mamaya ka, hindi ka nakapink. Nakapink naman ang aking pantalon.
Pink pala yan? Kailan pa?
Ano yung pinaghahandaan natin? And according to the
Smile ka ba kanina, anak? So finally, ayan, tapos na yung aming ceremony. Naambun na. Okay. Tapos na po. Ngayon, wiwilang kami before we go to the reception area. Yes. Kaya namin mo siya, now on our way to...
Siya, mamaya ka na mag-cellphone. Sa table.
To the reception area. Ito po yung ating reception. Dito kami ngayon sa Le Jardin Rosela. Sobrang laki ng place nila, Besh. Bili! Oy, dito ka, Enzo, kay Wowo! Ito po yung kanilang function hall. Wow! Wow, wee! Pero mo muna ako. Ay, nakatulog na.
Table 3 tayo, oh.
Table 3. Nice. Enzo! Enzo, akin na yung bag mo na. Bless ka kay... Bless, bless. Ayan na. Bless. Uy, natikap na yan.
And we are here at the Hardin Rosalia Events Place. And the time is already 5:34. And we're going to have the people.
Yung mo sa kabag. Hindi. Ayun lang, kabag. Wala pa na tayo. Wala pa. Sino tayo? Ayun mo mga kabag. Mga pinta?
To sit back, relax, and enjoy. And again, thank you so much for your time and effort to be with
Everybody, so time check, it's 9:30 p.m. Yes. Nakatulog na po si Enzo. We're on our way home. Hi, Isha. Lord, please keep us safe sa aming pag-uwi. Yun lang yung mga ganap ngayong araw na to na sobrang saya kasi minsan lang to. So that's all for today.
Nakatingin kasi siya sa computer.
That's all for today. I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. Bye! Close the vlog. Up there. Ay, isip pa pala ito eh. Here. I'm gonna close the vlog. No, Enzo will close the vlog. Here. Yun yung may green light. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye! Sabi mo na, bye. Bye!